Sweet girls. Sit. 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 Come. 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 Sit. 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 Put it down. 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 Sit. Place. Place. Put it up. Place. 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 Good girl. Sit. 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 Down. Down. Place. Place. Heel. Heel. Put it up. Heel. 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 Alrighty guys, as you can tell, Luna's got a lot cut out for her for the next 2 weeks. Go ahead and follow with our progress. Sit, 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 come, sit. Down. Down. Sit. Down. Sit. Sit. Down. Down. Right. Yep. Good girl. Stand up. Nope, sit, not down. Keep increasing. Walk away. Like on the corner of the shade over there. Do it again. Good girl. Stand up. Good. Very good. Walk away. Now we're gonna go to the place cot. Good girl. Stand up. Go to the sit first. Take a step towards her. Towards it. There you go. Okay. So walk away. Do the recall one more time, and then we'll do the place one more time, and then we'll do the heel. Right there is good. Good girl. Awesome. Beautiful. Place. Go ahead. Place. Yep. There you go. Good girl. Good. All right. So go ahead and put the leash on like we had earlier. Good job with that down. Follow through with the down. Very good. Whenever you're ready. Very good. And just up and down the driveway. Click, click, click. Good. Click, click, click. Good. Make your turn. Very good. Click, click, click. Keep walking. There you go. Click, click, click. Increase your number a little bit. Good. Make your turn. Good. Okay, double base. Click, click, click. Good. Click, click, click. Make your turn. Very good. Puppies! Very good, very good. You're gonna walk to the end of the driveway and then you're gonna sit her at the end. Click, click, click. You might want to increase just a little bit. Good job. Then go ahead and say her name and stop. Okay, go ahead and tell her down. Keep increasing. Okay, go ahead and take your leash off. Go ahead and walk away. And you're going to tell her break whenever you're ready.